Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue the abbreviations table. So when we click here, tab number 6, we will write some abbreviations like VP, which stands for vegetative pathogens. Okay. Number 7, SP, spore forming pathogens. Okay, and his critical control points. Sorry, this is vegetative pathogens. Also, we can write number 8, RM stands for raw materials. Number 9, PM stands for packaging materials. Okay, number 10, GMP stands for good manufacturing practices. And 11, GWP, which is tap and paste good warehousing practices. Number 12, GMO, which is genetically modified organisms. Control S. So these are the most important abbreviations here. The most important abbreviations in the HACCP plan. The first page, the second